Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 7 of the Quarantine PT. My name is Dr. Chantel Yearwood, physical therapist and online health and wellness coach. And this week we are covering the hip and the knee. So stay tuned to learn how you can minimize hip and knee pain during quarantine. Let's go. Okay guys, as I mentioned, we are covering the hip and the knee this week. I could talk about this topic for days, but we're gonna keep it nice and simple. So, one of the major things that can cause pain during quarantine can come from muscle imbalance. Now, muscle imbalance simply means that you experience tightness in one muscle and weakness in the opposing muscle due to being overstretched. Now, at the level of the hip, when we're sitting down, we experience a lot of tightness in the muscles in the front, which are hip flexors, and overstretching and weakness in the muscles in the back of the hip, which are your glutes. Now, at the level of the knee, we tend to experience a lot of pressure along the front of our knee, which results in pain in the front of the knee. And that is due to the muscles along the top of the thigh, being your quadriceps, crossing over your kneecap and causing more compression. So, this is where posture and getting up frequently is really going to help. But let's get deeper into it. Tip number 1 is to move often. Whether you're in a good position or a bad position, if you hold that for too long, that can result in joint tightness and then eventually result in joint pain. Tip number 2 is posture. So making sure to use your towel or your pillow along the base of your spine. This is gonna help to put your pelvis in a better position and help to take some of the pressure off. Tip number 3 is repositioning. If you're sitting down and you start to notice pain along the front of your knee, you can briefly extend your knees into a straight position and that'll help to take some of the pressure off of your kneecap. Now, if you're someone that has pain along the outside of your hip, when you're lying down on the couch, you want to make sure that you have support in order to take some of that pressure off. So if I have left hip pain, I'm going to lie on my right side. I'm going to take my pillow and place it in between my knee, and that helps to put my hip at a neutral position.